Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is your host Manish Deshmukh. Well, today's video is all about how much mileage I'm getting on my Honda Accord 2010, and this current variant is of 2.4 liter, so not a V6 one. And so what mods I've done is I have installed an BMW Z4 exhaust, which is not a full system, so I've just changed the end can. I do have a full system, so I might install it later, but currently I'm just having the end can right now. That is installed, and what we are gonna do is test the mileage what we are getting on E20. Currently the status of my tank is like almost we are having a quarter of tank, like it might be having 20 to 25 liters of fuel. Then we'll go to the nearest petrol pump, which is a GOBP petrol pump. I'll just go ahead and fill up the tank to the brim, or say full till the auto cut, and then go ahead and do my day-to-day life stuff and see how much mileage I'm getting. Like it might be having 30% of the highway and 70% of the local areas. So let's see how much mileage I'm getting. And second thing, what I'm gonna do after I fill up my tank, I'm gonna add octane booster by Motul, which I am having. So let's see, do we get any difference over there as well. So currently I'm in Kopakene and I'm going towards BKC, and then let's say nearest Thane, one of my branch. So I'm gonna visit there as well. So that's my day-to-day life stuff. Maybe I'll be traveling almost like 50 to 60 kilometers in a day, or maybe like lesser. So once all like day-to-day life stuff is done, I'll just go ahead and do the full tank again once once my day-to-day life stuff is being done. So let's begin with the video. So again, this is my current fuel status. So let's get to the fuel pump and just fill it up to the brim. So we just fueled the fuel till the brim, and we got just almost like 60 liters of fuel. We did had 20 to 25 liters, so maybe the fuel tank capacity for the Accord is 85 liters. So I don't know yet. Well, I didn't Google it, so I can't claim about the fuel tank capacity. But according to my knowledge, we did had 20 to 25 liters of fuel, and we currently added like 60 liters of fuel, and then we added an fuel additive from Motul. So let's begin with our day-to-day life, and I'll just show you the odo for like what's the odo reading currently. So as you can see, this is my current odo trip. So I clocked in 1,93,645 kilometers, and my trip is 339. So I'll just quickly reset my trip. So I'll just reset my trip A. Again, this is my trip B. I'll just reset that too. Once again, my odo reading is 1,93,600, and sorry, I thought it was 45, but it is 75. So this is what my current reading is. So that was what my current reading was, and let's begin with our day-to-day life. Mostly 30% of the highway and 70% of the local. So let's see how much I drive today, and then we'll again fuel up to the brim, and let's see how much mileage we are getting on the 2010 Honda Accord. So stay tuned. Hello guys, we are done with the daily run. So today we drove over 76.9, and petrol pump is over there, so it's around the corner. So mostly it will be 77 when we will reach over there. Alright, so we did fueled up till the auto cut, and fuel we got in our tank is like almost 12.9. So if we divide it by 77, like let's calculate 77 divided by 12.9, and that total comes to 6 point, I'll just see, 5.96. so that's what mileage we are getting, where I would say 60% or 70% was local roads. We were stationary for almost like 15 to 20 minutes at a stop, car was on, and 30% or let's say 40% of highways. So that's what mileage we are getting on 2010 Honda Accord. Hope you loved this video. See you soon.